Sums which are related to practice set 5.1 are sum number 1, that is choose the correct alternative. In sum number 1 there are 3 sums, 1, 2 and 3. Then sum number 5, sum number 6, all the 3 sums, sum number 7, sum number 8, all the 3 sums, then sum number 11, sum number 12, sum number 15, sum number 16, sum number 18 and sum number 20. Now problem set 5, first question, fill in the blanks with correct alternative. That is a MCQ question. The first one is what? Segment AB is parallel to y-axis and the coordinates of A is given as what? 1, 3, and we have to find out the coordinates of B. So segment AB is parallel and A is what? The coordinates of A is what? 1 and 3. So 1 and 3. So somewhere here it will be A, that is 1, 3, and it is given that it is parallel to y-axis. So it is parallel to y-axis. So since it is parallel to y-axis, the y coordinate will change but the x coordinate, that is x coordinate will remain same. तो कहाँ भी रहेगा ये लाइन में x coordinate हमेशा 1 रहेगा, लेकिन y coordinate जो रहता है वो चेंज होता रहेगा. जैसे कि अगर समझो इधर है तो it will be 1 2, यहाँ पे रहेगा तो 1 1, यहाँ पे रहेगा तो 1 -1. तो x कोऑर्डिनेट सेम रहता है मगर y कोऑर्डिनेट चेंज होता है. तो x कोऑर्डिनेट a का क्या है 1 और b का क्या रहेगा, यहाँ पे 3 है, इट कान बी पॉसिबल. यहाँ पे 5 है, दैट आल्सो कान बी पॉसिबल. 3 है, दैट कान बी पॉसिबल. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज व्हाट? D, that is 1 - 3 because over here it is x coordinate 1. So the answer is what? 1 - 3. So the correct option is D, not 1 -1, it is 1 - 3. The correct option is D. Now next one, out of the following point, dash lies to the right of the origin on x-axis. Now the point is lying on the x-axis, मतलब x-axis के ऊपर वो point है तो उसका y coordinate 0 रहेगा. तो यहाँ पे 2 ही option है जिसमें y coordinate 0 है. यहाँ पे भी 0 है, y coordinate 0 है, यहाँ पे भी 0 है. नेक्स्ट उन्होंने क्या लिखा है? लाइज टू द राइट ऑफ द ओरिजिन. ओरिजिन का राइट साइड में, दिस इज अ ओरिजिन. ओरिजिन का राइट साइड में हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहता है, नेगेटिव लेफ्ट साइड में रहता है. तो सिंस इट इज ऑन द राइट साइड, सो द x coordinate हैज टू बी positive. So which one? This is negative, so this can't be the answer. Over here it is positive, so the correct option is what? D, that is 2 and 0. So answer is what? 2 0. Now next one, distance of point -3 4 from the origin. So one of the point coordinates are what? -3 4 and the other one is origin, so it has to be 0 0. So your x1 is what? -3, y1 is what? 4 and x2 is 0 and y2 is 0. According to the distance formula, what it is? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is 0. Minus into -3 will become +3, then 0, and this will be what? -4 the whole square. So that is equal to how much? 3 the whole square plus -4 the whole square, that's equal to 9 plus 16, that's equal to 25. Square root of 25 is what? 5. So the right option is what? 5. That is C. C is the right option, that is 5. So from the distance is how much? 5 from the origin. Now sum number 5, which is connected to exercise or practice at 5.1, is a fifth sum. Find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from P 2 minus 5. So the coordinates of P is what? 2 minus 5 and Q -2 and 9. So we have to find out the coordinates of a point on the x-axis. So let us take that point, particular point as R, which is on the x-axis and which is equidistant from the points P and Q, and the coordinates of P is 2 minus 5 and Q is -2 and 9. Since over here the r, since it is on the x axis, so y coordinate has to be 0. So the coordinates of r is what? X, which we have to find out, and y coordinate we already know it is 0. Why it is 0? 0 क्यों है? क्योंकि वो x axis के ऊपर है, तो x axis के ऊपर रहेगा तो y coordinate हमेशा 0 रहेगा. तो r will be x and 0, and p and q is already given. So according to the distance formula, pr is equal to qr. Why it is equal? Because it is given, it is equidistant. Equidistance, that is why PR should be equal to QR. Now PR, that is x minus 2 plus 0 minus 5. That is equal to, now we have to take QR. QR, so x minus 2 the whole square, and over here it will be what? 0 minus 9 the whole square. I'll repeat once more. Since r is equidistant from point P and Q, therefore PR should be equal to QR, because both are equal distance away from point R. Therefore by distance formula, what it will be? X minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus into minus 5 the whole square. 0 minus into minus 5 the whole square. Now what is QR? X minus into minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 9 the whole square. So therefore this will become what? X minus 2 the whole square will become x square minus 4x plus 4, and this will become minus into minus 5, that is plus 5. Plus 5 the whole square is how much? 25. Over here it will become what? X plus 2 the whole square, x plus 2 the whole square plus minus 9 the whole square. Now if I take the square on both the sides, so instead of taking PR, if I take PR square, if I take the square on both sides, the root will go away. Therefore x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 25 is equal to, over here x plus 2 the whole square is what? X square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81. यहाँ पे रूट साइन है, तो रूट साइन निकालने के लिए मैं दोनों साइड स्क्वायर ले गया. अगर मैंने स्क्वायर लिया दोनों भी साइड, तो रूट वाला निकल जाएगा, रूट का जो साइन है वो निकल जाएगा. सो इट विल बिकम एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 4 plus 25 is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 81. Over here plus 4 and plus 4 will get cancelled. X square and x square will get cancelled. So what will remain? Minus 4x plus 25 is equal to 4x plus 81. Bring this 4x on this side. What you'll get? Minus 4x is equal to 81, and bring this 25 on the other side. It will become minus 25. Therefore minus 8x is equal to 81 minus 25 is how much? 56. I'll show over here the continuation of that sum. So minus 8x is equal to 56. So x is equal to what? 56 upon minus 8. Therefore x is equal to what? 56 upon minus 8. When you divide, what you get? X is equal to minus 7. 8 ones are, 8 sevens are. Since it is minus 8, so the answer will be what? X is equal to minus 7. So the coordinates of R is what? Minus 7 and 0. So the point on the x-axis, which is equidistance from points P and Q, is what? Minus 7, 0. Now, sixth sum of problem set 5. Find the distance between the following points. So we have to find out the distance. The first sum, they have given coordinates of A is A0 and coordinates of B is 0A. So x1, y1 is what? A and 0, and x2, y2 is what? 0A. So by distance formula, we know the formula is what? Distance AB is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is x2, that is 0 minus A the whole square plus A minus 0 the whole square, that is equal to minus A the whole square plus A the whole square. So that's equal to how much? Minus A the whole square is equal to how much? A square, and A the whole square is also A square, that's equal to 2A square. So distance AB is equal to what? A square will come outside the root sign, that is it will become a, and root 2 will remain inside, so a root 2 units. Now second sum, we have to find out the distance PQ. So distance PQ, they have given coordinates of P is what? -6, -3. So x1 is -6 and y1 is -3, and coordinates of Q is what? -1, 9. So x2 is -1 and y2 is 9. So by distance formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square, what it will be? x2, that is -1 and minus into -6 the whole square, plus y2 is what? 9 minus -3 the whole square. So that is equal to -1, minus into minus is what? +6 the whole square, plus 9 minus into -3 is what? +3 the whole square. So that is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. So that's equal to 25, and 12 square is what? 144. So that's equal to how much? Root 169. So distance PQ is equal to what? What is root 169? That's equal to 13 units. Now sum number 3, R, coordinates of R is -3a and a, so x1, y1 is what? -3a, a. S, coordinates of S is what? A and -2a, so x2, y2 is what? A -2a. So by distance formula, x2 minus x1, that is a minus -3 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, that is -2a minus a the whole square. So that is equal to how much? A minus into minus 3a is how much? Plus 3a the whole square, plus -2a minus a is how much? -3a the whole square. That's equal to how much? A plus 3a is 4a the whole square, plus -3a the whole square is how much? 9a square. So that's equal to 16a square plus 9a square, which will be equal to how much? 16 plus 9 is how much? 25a square. So distance RS is equal to how much? Root of 25 is 5 and a square, root of a square is a, so 5a units. Now problem set 5, sum number 7. Now they have given that find the coordinates of circumcentre of a triangle. So here the circumcentre is what? O of triangle of vertices -3, 1, 0, -2 and 1, 3. So let us take the vertices of the triangle as A, B, C, and A is -3, 1, B is 0, -2 and C is 1 and 3 be the vertices of the triangle, and O is a circumcentre. So let O be the circumcentre with the coordinates of O is what? H and K. So let O, H, K be the circumcentre of triangle ABC. By distance formula we will find out OA, OB and OC. Now we have studied in 9th standard how to draw a circumcircle. If this is a triangle, we draw a circumcircle by touching all the 3 vertices of the triangle over here. So the circumcenter is the center of this circle which is touching the vertices of the triangle, and this circumcenter will be this is a radius of the circle. This is O, then OA, OB and OC are the radius of the circle. Since they are the radius of the same circle, so they all have to be equal. That is OA should be equal to OB should be equal to OC. So that is why first we will find out OA, OB and OC by distance formula. Over here A is what? A is -3, 1 and O is what? H, K. Let us take this as x1, y1 and let us take this as x2, y2. So by using distance formula we will apply over here. What we will get? H -3, H -3 the whole square plus k minus 1 the whole square. Now this will become, since this is in root sign, in order to remove this root sign we will square on both the sides. So OA square will be equal to what? The root sign will go away, we'll get what? H, minus into minus will become plus 3 the whole square plus k minus 1 the whole square. Squaring on both sides. So why we have squared on both sides? In order to remove the root sign. ये root sign निकालने के लिए मैंने दोनों साइड स्क्वायर किया तो root sign निकल जाता है. अब इसमें a plus b the whole square का फॉर्मूला डालने का और इसमें a minus b the whole square का फॉर्मूला डालने का. a plus b the whole square का फॉर्मूला क्या है? a square plus 2ab plus b square. और a minus b the whole square का फॉर्मूला क्या है? a minus 2ab plus b square. तो ये फॉर्मूला डालने का. So that is equal to what? What we will get? OA square is equal to h square plus 6h plus 9. Now this one, k square minus 2k plus 1. So this is your OA square. Similarly you will find out OB square also. So directly I will show you now. So by squaring on both the side you will get OB square. So what is your B over here? B is what? 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2. So that will be your x1 and y1. So I won't put the root sign, directly you can put h minus 0 the whole square plus k minus minus 2 the whole square. So what you will get? OB square. OB square is equal to h square, since it is 0 so rest of the things you will not get, plus k square, minus into minus 2 will become plus 2, so plus 4k plus 4. So this is your OB square. Now you will find out OC square. OC square is equal to what? Now your C is what over here? C is 1 and 3. So again by the same formula, h minus 1 the whole square plus k minus 3 the whole square plus k minus 3 the whole square. When you open the bracket, what you will get? OC square is equal to h square minus 2h plus 1 plus k square minus 6k plus 9. So this is your OC square. Just now I told you that OA and OB and OC are the radii of the same circle. Therefore, OA should be equal to OA should be equal to OB should be equal to OC. So the square of all this will be equal. That is OA square will be equal to OB square should be equal to OC square. Reason what you'll write down? Radii of the same circle. Now first we will find out OA square is equal to OB square. OA square is equal to OB square. We will take two at a time. Now what is your OA square? H square plus 6h, h square plus 6h plus 9 plus k square plus 9 plus k square minus 2k plus 1 minus 2k plus 1. That is equal to how much? What is OB square? H square plus k square, h square plus k square plus 4k plus 4 plus 4k plus 4. Now your h square and k square will get cancelled. What will remain? 6h plus 9 plus 9 plus 1 is how much? 10 minus 2k, that's equal to 4k plus 4. Now bring this 4k on this side, you will get 6h minus 2k minus 4k, and take the 10 on the other side, you will get 4 minus 10. So What is your first, now over here, 6h minus 2k minus 6a is what? Minus 6k. Minus 2k minus 4k is how much? Minus 6k. 4 minus 10 is how much? Minus 6. Now take 6 common in this. So what you'll get? H minus k is equal to minus 1. Let this be equation 1. Taking 6 common. So equation 1 we have got. Now we will take OB square and OC square. OB square is what? So OB square is equal to OC square. You can take anything. You can also take OA square is equal to OC square. You have to get only 2 equations. That is important. So what is your OB square? OB square is h square plus k square. H square plus k square plus 4k plus 4. 4k plus 4. What is OC square? H square minus 2h. H square minus 2h minus plus 1 plus k square minus 6k plus 9 minus 6k plus 9. Here also k square and h square will get cancelled. So what will remain over here? 4k plus 4 is equal to minus 2h plus 1 and plus 9 will become 10. Minus 6k is there, minus 6k plus 10. Bring this minus 2h and 6k on this side. So what you'll get? Minus 2h will become plus 2h plus 4k minus 6k will become plus 6k is equal to 10, and plus 4 when it goes on this side will become minus 4. Therefore 2h plus 4k plus 6k is how much? 10k is equal to 10 minus 4 is how much? 6. Take 2 common in this. So what you'll get? H plus 5k is equal to 3. Let this be equation 2. Taking 2 common. Now we have got 2 equations. This way we can get the value of h and k. Now here h, both the h having same coefficient and both are having same sign. So we'll subtract. Subtract equation 1 from 2. So first you'll write down 2, h plus 5k is equal to 3. Then you'll write down h minus k is equal to minus 1. Since we are subtracting, the signs will change. So what you'll get? H and h will get eliminated. 5k plus k is equal to how much? 6k plus 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. Therefore, k is equal to how much? 4 upon 6. That's equal to 2 upon 3. Now we have got the value of k. Now substitute the value of k in equation 1. So we will take equation 1. What is equation 1? H minus k. H minus k is equal to minus 1. So h minus, what is k value? 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 is equal to minus 1. Take minus 2 upon 3 on the other side. You'll get minus 1 plus 2 upon 3. Equalize the denominator. So h is equal to minus 1 into 3 will become minus 3 plus 2 upon 3. So the value of h is what? Minus 1 upon 3. So what is the coordinates of circumcentre O? That is h is minus 1 upon 3 and k is what? 2 upon 3. Write down in full sentence the answer. So what is the coordinates of the circumcentre of the triangle is what? Minus 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Now 8th sum of problem set 5, they have said in the following example, can the segment joining the given points form a triangle? If the triangle is formed, state the type of the triangle considering the sides of the triangle. So we have to find out whether it forms a triangle or not. So we'll find out by distance formula, distance Lm, then Mn, then Ln. So distance Lm is equal to what? Minus 5 minus 6 minus 5 minus 6 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 4 minus 3 minus 4 the whole square. That's equal to how much? Minus 5 minus 6 is minus 11 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 4 is what? Minus 7 the whole square. So that's equal to how much? Minus 11 the whole square is 121, minus 7 the whole square is 49. So distance Lm is equal to how much? Root 170. So root 170, let this be 1. Now we'll find out Mn. So distance Mn is equal to how much? Minus 6 minus 5 minus 6 minus minus 5 the whole square plus 8 minus minus 3 the whole square. So that's equal to how much? Minus 6 minus into minus 5 is plus 5 the whole square. Similarly over here 8 minus into minus will become plus 3 the whole square. So that's equal to minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1 the whole square plus 11 the whole square. So that is equal to how much? Minus 1 the whole square is 1 and 11 the whole square is 121. So distance Mn is equal to how much? Distance Mn is equal to root 122. Let this be 2. Now we'll find out distance Ln. Distance Ln is equal to what? Minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 the whole square plus 8 minus 4 the whole square plus 8 minus 4 the whole square. So that's equal to how much? Minus 6 minus 6 will become minus 12 the whole square. 8 minus 4 is what? 4 the whole square. That's equal to 144 plus 16. So distance Ln is equal to how much? Distance Ln is equal to 144 plus 16 is how much? 160, root 160. So 144 plus 16 is 160. So let this be 3. Now if you compare 1, 2 and 3, if you add 122, that is a smaller root of the smaller two numbers, root 122 and root 160, if you add them together, it will always be greater than 170. That is distance Mn plus distance Ln is greater than distance Mn. Lm, not Mn, Lm. What is distance Mn? 122 plus 160 is greater than root 170. Since we have studied this before, that the sum in a triangle, the sum of the two sides is always greater than the third side. It is. So here the sum of the two sides is greater than the third side, therefore it forms a triangle. It forms a triangle. ये प्रॉपर्टी पहले पढ़ चुका है कि दो साइड को ट्राइंगल का हमेशा दो साइड को ऐड करेगा तो it will always be greater than the third side. Now it forms a triangle. Now we have to find out what form of triangle it is. If you compare Lm, Mn और Ln, कोई किसी का भी value same नहीं है. Over here Lm is not equal to Mn is not equal to Ln. Therefore it is a scalene triangle. Scalene, since all the three sides are not equal, therefore it's a scalene triangle. Same way you have to do the next two sums. Now by distance formula again we'll find out distance PQ. The distance PQ is what? minus 4 minus into minus 2 the whole square plus minus 2 minus into minus 6 the whole square. So that's equal to how much? Minus 4 minus into minus will become plus 2 the whole square plus minus 2 minus into minus will become plus 6 the whole square. That's equal to minus 2 the whole square plus 4 the whole square. So distance PQ is equal to how much? 4 plus 16. So that's equal to, so distance PQ is equal to how much? Root 20. That's equal to how much? 2 root 5. 4 into 5. That's equal to 2 root 5. Let this be 1. Now the second one, distance QR. Distance QR is equal to what? Minus 5 minus into minus 4 the whole square plus 0 minus into minus 2 the whole square. So that's equal to how much? Minus 5 plus 4 the whole square 2 the whole square. Minus into minus will become plus 2. Minus 5 plus 4 is how much? Minus 1 the whole square plus 4. That's equal to 1 plus 4. So distance QR is equal to how much? QR is equal to root 5. Let this be 2. Now we'll find out distance PR. PR is what? Minus 5 minus into minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus into minus 6 the whole square. So that's equal to how much? Minus 5 plus 2 the whole square plus 6 the whole square. So distance, that's equal to how much? Minus 3 the whole square plus 36. So distance PR is equal to how much? Minus 3 the whole square is how much? 9 plus 36 plus 36. So distance PR is equal to root 45. That's equal to root 9 into 5. That's equal to 3 root 5. Let this be 3. Now from 1, 2 and 3, what do we come to know? From 1, 2 and 3. What do you come to know? The two smaller one, that is 2 root 5 and root 5. 2 root 5 plus root 5 is equal to how much? 3 root 5. 2 root 5 plus 1 root 5 is equal to 3 root 5. So distance, which is equal to the third one, that is 3 root 5. So when you add 1 and 2, when you add PQ and QR, you are getting PR. So distance PQ plus distance QR is equal to, it is not greater, it is equal to distance PR. कोई भी ट्राइंगल फॉर्म करना होगा तो सम ऑफ द टू साइड हमेशा ग्रेटर रहना चाहिए, इक्वल नहीं. इट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन दी थर्ड साइड. मगर यहाँ पे इक्वल आता है, देयरफॉर पॉइंट्स P, Q and R are collinear points. They are collinear. Collinear का मतलब क्या? स्ट्रेट लाइन है. नॉन कोलिनियर होगा तो ये ट्राइंगल फॉर्म होता है. यहाँ पे collinear points है, so points P, Q and R does not form a triangle. Segments joining the points P, Q, R, not this way. Segments segment formed by joining points P, Q, R does not form a triangle. Since does not form a triangle, so we don't have to find out what type of a triangle it is. Now third sum of sum number 8 of problem set 5. Now by distance formula, find out the distance AB minus root 2 minus root 2 the whole square plus again minus root 2 minus root 2 the whole square. So that's equal to how much? Since the under the root sign both the numbers are same, so you can just add एक रूट 2 और एक रूट 2 मिला के कितना हो गया माइनस 2 रूट 2 द होल स्क्वायर. Here also same thing, minus 2 root 2 the whole square. So that's equal to minus 2 into minus 2 will be how much? 4, and root 2 into root 2 will be how much? Only 2. So 4 into 2 plus here also 4 into 2. So that's equal to 8 plus 8. So distance AB is equal to how much? Distance AB is equal to root 16, that's equal to 4. Let this be 1. Now we'll find out distance BC. Distance BC, that's equal to minus root 6 minus into minus root 2 the whole square plus root 6 minus into minus root 2 the whole square. So that's equal to minus root 6 minus into minus plus root 2 the whole square plus root 6 minus into minus plus root 2 the whole square. Since the negative is coming first, so we'll put the positive first. So that's equal to root 2 minus root 6 the whole square plus root 6 plus root 2 the whole square. Here you use the formula of a minus b the whole square, and here a plus b the whole square. Why? Because under the root the numbers are different. Here the numbers were same, root 2, root 2. Here it is root 6 and root 2. So you have to use the formula of a minus b and a plus b the whole square. Here it will become root 2 the whole square minus 2. Root 6 into root 2 will be how much? Root 12 plus root 6 the whole square plus root 6 the whole square plus again here it will be plus 2 root 12 plus root 2 the whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here plus 2 root 12 and minus 2 root 12 will get cancelled. Root 2 the whole square is 2, root 6 the whole square is 6, root 6 the whole square is 6, and root 2 the whole square is 2. So distance BC is equal to how much? Distance BC is equal to 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, that's equal to 4. Let this be 2. Now we'll find out distance AC. Distance AC is equal to minus root 6 and minus root 2 the whole square plus root 6 minus root 2 the whole square. Now here negative is, both are negative, so for your convenience you can take it outside the negative sign minus and keep inside positive, so it will become easy for you to do the calculation. Plus root 6 minus root 2 the whole square. Now if you see here minus into minus the whole square, it will become positive. So you can just concentrate on root 6 plus root 2 the whole square. So that is root 6 the whole square plus 2 root 12 plus root 2 the whole square plus root 6 the whole square, that is this one, minus 2 root 12 plus root 2 the whole square. So that is equal to this plus 2 root 12 and minus 2 root 12 will go away. So what you will get? Again the same thing, you will get 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2. So distance AC is equal to how much? Distance AC is equal to root 16, that's equal to that's equal to 4. Let this be 3. Now if you compare from 1, 2 and 3, from 1, 2 and 3, what you get? Take any two sides, 4 plus 4, that is distance AB. Since all the numbers are same, so you can take any two sides, distance BC. We get what? 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, that's equal to how much? 8. And 8 is greater than 4, that is distance AC. So distance AB plus distance BC is greater than distance AC. Therefore, it forms a triangle. Now what sort of a triangle it is? If you see, all the three sides are equal. AB, BC and AC all are 4. So AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. So what type of triangle it will form? It will form an equilateral triangle. Now sum number 11th of problem set 5. We have to show that the points P, Q, R, S are the vertices of a parallelogram. In order to show that they are the vertices of the parallelogram, we'll find out the distance PQ, QR, RS and PS, and if you get two opposite sides equal, then it is a parallelogram. It is same like exercise 5.1 sum number 5. So sum number 5 of exercise 5.1 or practice set 5.1 is same only. So first, by distance formula, find out distance PQ. That is 5 minus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 2 the whole square. So that's equal to how much? 5 minus 1 is 4 the whole square plus 2 plus 2 the whole square, that's equal to 4 square plus 4 square, that's equal to 16 plus 16, that's equal to root 32, and root 32 is equal to what? 16 into 2, that's equal to 4 root 2. Let this be 1. Similarly, you will find out distance QR. Distance QR is what? QR, that is 3 minus 5 the whole square plus minus 1 minus 2 the whole square, that's equal to 3 minus 5 is how much? Minus 2 the whole square, minus 1 minus 2 is how much? Minus 3 the whole square, that's equal to minus 2 the whole square is 4 and minus 3 the whole square is 9, that's equal to 13. Let this be 2. Now we'll find out distance RS. Distance RS is how much? Minus 1 minus 3 the whole square plus minus 5 minus into minus 1 the whole square. So that's equal to minus 1 minus 3 the whole square is minus 4 the whole square plus minus 5 plus 1 the whole square. So that's equal to minus 4 the whole square plus minus 4 the whole square. So that is equal to how much? 16 plus 16, that's equal to root 32. So like this sum only, it will be how much? 4 root 2. So that is second one. Now distance PS. PS. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 5 minus 5 minus into minus 2 the whole square. So that's equal to how much? Minus 1 is how much? Minus 2 the whole square plus minus 5 plus 2 the whole square. That's equal to 4 plus minus 5 plus 2 is how much? Minus 3 the whole square. That's equal to 4 plus 9. That's equal to root 13. Let this be 3 and let this be 4. Now in order to prove that they are the vertices of a parallelogram, we have to show that the two opposite sides. Over here if you see, distance PQ and distance RS are same. So from 1, 2, 3 and 4, you'll find distance PQ is equal to distance RS. First you write down 4 root 2 is equal to 4 root 2. Therefore, distance PQ is equal to distance RS. Similarly, root 13 and root 13 is equal. Root 13 is equal to root 13. Therefore, distance QR is equal to distance PS. Now, since these two are equal, so opposite sides we are getting equal. Therefore, points P, Q, R and S are the vertices of quadrilateral, are the vertices of a parallelogram, not a parallelogram. So since we are getting two opposite sides equal, therefore point PQRS are the vertices of a parallelogram.